Assalamu alaikum. Our next numerical is the calculation of molarity and molality from the mole fractions. In the last video, we have calculated molarity and molality from percent solutions. In this numerical, we will solve that how we can change mole fraction into molarity or molality, or in other words, how we can calculate molarity and molality from given mole fractions. We understand this problem step by step. Vodka is aqueous solution of ethanol in water with mole fraction 0.15 and density of the ethanol is 0.970 gram per ml. According to the given data, mole fraction of ethanol is given, density of ethanol is given, and molar mass of ethanol is 46 gram per mole. Molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. Now we know that sum of the mole fraction of all the solutes plus solvent is equal to 1. Okay, ethanol is solute and water is solvent, but sum of the mole fraction must be equal to 1, and mole fraction of water plus mole fraction of ethanol is equal to 1. Mole fraction of ethanol is 0.15. Then how we can calculate the mole fraction of water? Mole fraction of water can be calculated 1 minus mole fraction of ethanol, that is 0.85 mole. Okay, we calculated the mole fraction of water from the mole fraction of ethanol in first step. In second step, we used these number of moles or mole fractions to calculate their masses. How we can calculate the mass from their mole fractions? They multiply the mole fraction with their molar masses. When we multiply the mole fractions, a number of moles of ethanol with its molar mass of ethanol 6.91 gram, mass of water is 15 gram when we multiply the molar mass of water with its mole fractions. Total mass of the solution, ethanol plus water, is 22.23 gram. Okay, next, using this mass of solution, we can calculate the volume of solution. We know that volume and mass are interrelated through density. Volume is equal to mass over density, and mass of total solution is 22.23 gram, and density of the ethanol is 0.9. Density of that solutions of ethanol is 0.970 gram per ml. Then volume is 22.91 ml. We can change this ml into liter by dividing the 1000. Okay, we have calculated the volume of solution. We use this volume solution to calculate the molarity. Number of moles are already given as the mole fractions, and we divide with the volume of the solutions. A molarity of 6.55 mole per liter, its mean 0.15 mole fraction of ethanol. When changed into molarity, the 6.55 molar solution of given vodka solution. Next, we calculate the molality. For molality, we know that number of moles dissolved per kg of solvent. It's mean in this section we need the mass of solvent. And what is the solvent? Solvent is the water, and mass of water is 15.32 gram. Okay, We have calculated already mass of this water, and mass of water is 15.32 gram, and number of moles of ethanol already given. So change the mass of water first of all into kg and divide the number of moles with the mass of solvent in kg. Answer is 9.79 mole per kg. It's mean 0.15 mole fraction of ethanol. Molality of that solution is 9.79 molal. Okay, this is very easy numerical how we can change the mole fractions into the molar solution and molal solutions. Thank you very much.